Today I am going to show you how to make cheesy corn Maggi. It's a new trending recipe of a Maggi. So first needed ingredients are butter, chili powder, 1 cup water, processed cheese, oregano and chili flake mix, salt, some boiled corns, 1 packet of Maggi, taste maker masala of Maggi and oil. So now let's start with our recipe. So first I have taken here 1 pan to cook our Maggi. So now I am going to put some oil in that. I am going to put little of oil because I am going to put the butter also. Because of oil, the butter does not get burns. Before putting the butter, I have keep the butter on room temperature. 1 tablespoon of butter. I am going to use the wooden spoon on the non-stick pan. So now butter is get melted. So now if you want to putting the butter is getting melted properly. So now I am going to put some boiled corns. When I was boiling the corn, I have put some 1 tablespoon of salt to it. I have taken half cup of corn and mix this with the butter and oil. So mix this. So now I am going to put red chili powder. 2 tablespoons of red chili powder and mix it with the corn. Mix all the red chili powder with all the corns properly. So now I am going to put 1 cup of water. Now stir this. Now I am going to put Maggi taster maker, means only Maggi masala. I have taken 1 packet. So now I am going to put some pinch of salt because already taste maker have the salt to balance the red chili powder taste. And mix it now. I will keep the flame on medium. Now I am going to put 1 Maggi. I have taken only 1. You can take 2 also. By mistake spoon is. So now I am going to it not getting soft. So we will wait for 2 to 3 minutes to get it soft. So now after 2 to 3 minutes our Maggi is getting soft. So now I am going to put some processed cheese. I have grated this cheese. You can use mozzarella cheese or cheese slice also. I have taken here 1 cube of cheese. So now I am going to mix this with the Maggi. So now I am going to put some herbs. And mix this. And now I am going to again put the butter. One tablespoon of butter. And mix it. So now here's our Maggi is yummy cheese corn Maggi is ready. So now I will off the flame and serve this hot Maggi in the plate. And so here's our yummy cheesy corn Maggi is ready. Enjoy this yummy Maggi recipe with your family and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.